Hello, everyone. Welcome back. It feels so good to be here again.
Yes, it really does. How are you today, David?
I'm feeling great, thank you. And I'm excited because today's topic is very funny.
Oh, really? What is it?
We are going to talk about self-introductions in English and the funny mistakes people make.
That's perfect. Everyone introduces themselves, but sometimes small mistakes make big laughs.
Exactly. And we will show how to avoid those mistakes while learning naturally.
Great. So let's start with the basics. How do you introduce yourself in English?
Simple. Hello, my name is David.
Perfect. And I say, hello, my name is Jessica.
Easy, right? But sometimes learners say, I am named David.
Yes, I've heard that. It sounds cute, but not correct.
Exactly. The correct way is, my name is David, or I am David.
Yes, both are fine, but mixing them makes a funny mistake.
Right. Another mistake is forgetting the am. Some people say, I, David.
Yes, that sounds like a superhero. David.
Exactly. It's funny, but not natural.
So remember, I am David.
Perfect. Now, let's role play. I will make mistakes, and you correct me.
Okay, let's try.
Hello, I name David.
That's not correct. Say, my name is David.
My name is David.
Perfect.
Hello, I, David.
That sounds dramatic. Say, I am David.
I am David.
Excellent.
Hello, my name's David.
Careful. Names is wrong. Say, my name is David.
My name is David.
Perfect. See, small mistakes can be funny.
Yes, but now I know the correct way.
Good. Now let's talk about adding more information.
Okay,
After your name, you can say where you are from. For example, I am from Pakistan.
perfect. I am from England.
Good. But sometimes learners say, I am come from England.
Yes, I've heard that. It sounds strange.
Exactly. The correct way is, I come from England or I am from England.
Yes, don't mix them.
Right. Let's role play again.
Okay. Hello, my name is David. I am come from England.
Careful. Say, I come from England.
I come from England.
Perfect.
Hello, my name is David. I am from England.
Excellent. Both are correct.
Good.
Now let's add hobbies. You can say, I like football.
Perfect. I like music.
Good. But sometimes learners say, I am like football.
That's funny. It sounds like you are football.
Exactly. The correct way is, I like football.
Yes. Let's role play again.
Okay.
Hello, my name is David. I am like music.
Careful. Say, I like music.
I like music.
Perfect.
Hello, my name is David. I like football.
Excellent. That was natural.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See, small mistakes can change the meaning.
Yes, and sometimes they make people laugh.
Exactly. But don't worry. People understand you are learning.
That's true.
Good. Now let's talk about age.
Oh, yes, that's common.
The correct way is, I am 20 years old.
Perfect. But sometimes learners say, I have 20 years.
Yes, that sounds like you own 20 years.
Exactly. It's funny, but not correct.
Right, let's role play again.
Okay. Hello, my name is David. I have 20 years.
Careful, say, I am 20 years old.
I am 20 years old.
Perfect. Hello, my name is David. I am 20.
Excellent. That's also correct.
Good. See, it's simple.
Yes, but easy to make mistakes.
Exactly.
This is fun.
Yes, and useful. In the next part, we will practice longer introductions and more natural expressions.
I can't wait. Jessica, in the first part, we laughed about mistakes like, I am named David, or I have 20 years.
Yes, those were funny, but also very common. Now, let's practice longer introductions and more natural expressions.
That sounds great. Sometimes when people introduce themselves, they want to share more details.
Exactly, and that's where more mistakes can happen. But don't worry, we'll fix them together.
Perfect. So, what's the next step after saying your name and age?
You can talk about your job or studies. For example, I am a teacher.
Easy. I am a student.
Perfect. But sometimes learners say, I am study student.
Yes, that sounds strange.
Exactly. The correct way is I am a student or I study English.
Right. Let's role play again.
Okay.
Hello, my name is David. I am study student.
Careful. Say I am a student.
I am a student.
Perfect.
Hello, my name is David. I study English.
Excellent. That was natural.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See, small changes make a big difference.
Yes, they do.
Good. Now, let's talk about family.
Oh, yes, that's common in introductions.
Exactly. You can say, I have 2 brothers, or I have 1 sister.
Perfect. But sometimes learners say, I am 2 brothers.
Yes, that sounds like you are 2 people.
Exactly. It's funny, but not correct.
Right. The correct way is, I have 2 brothers.
Got it. Let's role play again.
Okay.
Hello, my name is David. I am 2 brothers.
Careful. Say, I have 2 brothers.
I have 2 brothers.
Perfect.
Hello, my name is David. I have 1 sister.
Excellent. That was natural.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now let's add more details. You can say, I live with my family.
Perfect. I live with my parents.
Good. But sometimes learners say, I am live with my family.
Yes, that's a mix of 2 sentences.
Exactly. The correct way is I live with my family.
Got it.
Good. Now let's talk about hobbies again, but in longer sentences.
Okay.
You can say, I like reading books in my free time.
Perfect. I like playing football with my friends.
Excellent. But sometimes learners say, I am like reading books.
Yes, we already saw that mistake.
Exactly. Remember, I like, not I am like.
Right.
Good. Now let's role play a full introduction.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Jessica. I am 25 years old. I am a teacher. I live with my family. I like reading books in my free time.
Perfect.
Now you try.
Hello, my name is David. I am 20 years old. I am a student. I have 2 brothers. I live with my parents. I like playing football with my friends.
Excellent. That was natural.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See, that's a full introduction.
Yes, and it feels real.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about funny mistakes with countries.
Oh, yes. I've heard people say, I am England.
Oh, yes, that sounds like you are the whole country.
Exactly. The correct way is, I am from England.
Perfect. Or, I come from England.
Right. Let's role play again.
Okay.
Hello. My name is David. I am England.
Careful. Say, I am from England.
I am from England.
Perfect.
Hello. My name is David. I come from England.
Excellent. That was natural.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now let's add more natural expressions.
Okay.
You can say, nice to meet you.
Perfect. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Excellent. And you can also say, I'm happy to be here.
I'm happy to be here. That sounds friendly.
Yes, it does.
Good.
Now let's role play a funny introduction with mistakes and then fix it.
Okay.
Hello, my name's Jessica. I am 25 years. I am teacher. I am like reading books.
That was full of mistakes.
Yes, but common ones.
The correct way is, hello, my name is Jessica. I am 25 years old. I am a teacher. I like reading books.
Perfect.
See, small changes make it natural.
Exactly.
This is fun.
Yes, and useful. Now let's practice introductions in different situations.
Okay.
Okay. Situation 1, meeting a new classmate.
Hello, my name is David. I am a student. I study English. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Situation 2, meeting a new colleague at work.
Hello, my name is Jessica. I am a teacher. I work at a school. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Excellent. Situation 3, meeting someone at a party.
Hello, my name is David. I am 20 years old. I like music and football. I'm happy to be here.
Perfect.
See, introductions change depending on the situation.
Yes, but the basics are the same. Name, age, job, hobbies, country.
Exactly.
Good. Now let's review everything.
Okay.
Step 1, say your name. My name is, or I am.
Step 2, say your age. I am 20 years old.
Step 3, say your job or studies. I am a student. I study English.
Step 4, talk about your family. I have 2 brothers.
Step 5, say where you are from. I am from England.
Step 6, add hobbies. I like football.
Step 7, add polite expressions. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. That's the full introduction.
Yes, and remember the funny mistakes. Don't say, I am named David. Don't say, I have 20 years. Don't say, I am England.
Yes, those are funny, but not correct.
Exactly.
I feel confident now.
That's wonderful. And we hope our listeners feel confident too.
Yes. Everyone listening, you can do this. Practice your introduction and you will sound natural.
Exactly. Even a small step is progress.
And every word you say is a victory.
Beautifully said, David.
Thank you, Jessica. And thank you to our listeners.
Yes, we are proud of you. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
That's the secret. Funny mistakes become learning moments.
Perfect ending. Until next time, goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you soon.